Hurley Island. Thank you so much. We will meet again soon. Everything's wet through this morning. Why did it rain? It rained. And it rained. See you. First one of the morning. Watch out for the orca. It's going to be a cool ride, I think. It's all on the beam or downward sailing. Got protection. Oh. Yeah. Let's turn a few more degrees and we'll put the jib up. Let's see if we do this. Tops. Then we should go to pointing back into the island a little bit to get the main up. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh. Cross it out. Already we're off. That's just with the jib up. Woohoo! Well, I'm not trimming it yet. So, we've got another minus 6 knots. Yeah. Let's get them across-ish. Oh, lovely. Flying along. 6 knots. At this rate, we're there in a day. Let's get the main up. It's still caught around the long one. I hate this thing. We'll go for that third reef. That's the one. Skinny blue one. Yeah? Third reef, skinny blue one, I'm sure it is. Which one's the second one? It's the blue one that's the third one. You can go back over there now. Thank you. Go on. Go on. Cut your handle it, mate. Try to get trimmed. Forecast was supposed to be quite breezy, but from the southwest, and we've got wind on the nose, waves on the nose. We're motor sailing into it. Most uncomfortable again. I've got it quite well balanced. I'm hardly having to put any input in the wheel. It just seems to just correct itself. So about half the Genoa up. None of the main. I had main up, I had 2 reefs in the main, but it was just overpowering it, just too much. I think we forecast like 15-20 knot gusts sort of thing, maybe 22 I think at some point, but we've got that already. That's windy app and all the other models all saying the same, but then you listen to inshore forecast from on the radio and they're saying 4-6. So we're just getting closer to the coast, just with a bit of wind protection, because the sea state will be fine once they get closer to the shore, and then we'll just stick our nose around at Eyemouth there and have a look across the Isle of May, across the mouth of on Edinburgh anyway. We'll see what's out there. It is calming, so they say. Everybody agrees that. So probably just keep going, have a break at Eyemouth, sit out in the bay just for half an hour, and cook some breakfast. An hour to get there, something like that, hour and a half. That'll be like 8 o'clock, half 8. We'll have a bit of a break from this. Yeah, it's wild. It's hard on the boat as well. So not what I planned. Spent 5 days in Early Island, and I'm sure I've missed work. I mean, the forecast yesterday I think was 36 knots and stuff like that, and the day before was 44. So it would have been a heck of a lot worse out here. Hopefully, like I say, all the forecast say it's going to calm down. Coffee. Try and wake me up a bit. I don't know whether it's this, it just makes me feel sleepy because the rocket version. Can't go to sleep though, my bloody bed's wet. And I didn't wet it. I've had to move my bed across. Got water coming in that corner there. I've got a tissue up there just soaking up the drips. But it's soaked the bed in no time at all. And I've re-bedded all these windows as well. It's just in the corners. It's just where all the flexing of the structure is. Lay a bit of grease in the corners, something that's, doesn't set ever. Something like that. Because I mean, I've done it with sticker flex, which is really, supposedly super flex. Well, it's for the job. It used to just drip a little bit. I ripped them all out. Spent, I don't know, 40-50 hours taking them out, re-cutting the perspex sides and everything, spending all the time and effort on them, and then put it all back together again. Leaking. Dave, the autopilot, Dave. So I don't know what the f he's doing. Finally sailing. Engine's off. Sea state's calmed down a bit. We're a little bit close to shore, so the wind's just calmed down a little bit. 17, 18, doing 5 knots through the water and 5 knots over land as well, so there's no current at the moment. Should start getting a bit of current helping us shortly. I don't know what's happened to my depth gauge. That's reading 22, 16, 15, then it goes 1. But now it's rather pleasant. Nice to get the engine off. Got main back up, one reef in it. So between 4 and 5 knots, depends on whether Dave points us in the right direction or not. Might give Dave a break. Now we've got everything set. Right, report back shortly. Time for a bacon and egg sandwich, I reckon. Oh, what is it? 10 o'clock. Let's do it. We didn't stop at high mouse, did we? We just kept going. So, oh. It's a bit rolly. It's right on the beam. Keeps knocking every now and then with a good knock to the side. We'll leave that. Put everything in the sink, then it can't fall over. Splash. There it is. Making sure you're still on. Sometimes I do it and the battery goes flat halfway through doing something like this. And if it does that, it doesn't store what it's just recorded. I'm losing 20 minutes worth of coverage. That's a bit testing today, isn't it? You've got to eat there. Down. Oh. Oh. Fish food. Back. Hopefully, I got some more the other day. That's the last of it. If it gets too warm in that cupboard, there's the motor in there for the refrigerator. Put some carrots in there, they were only in there for 2 or 3 days and they were gone. Way up there. Need to keep an eye on my cholesterol. But not today. Saved. Splash of ketchup. This is very flat across the floor just as you do it all finished. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Flip here. I don't feel like eating now. Cheers, guys.
Sir, you have acknowledged a distress DSC for a man overboard. Do you have any further details, over?
Negative. Maybe hooked up accidentally. No. I don't have any details concerning this.
Wick received, sir. Many thanks for your cooperation. Go scout out.
Boat food time. Look what we've rustled up tonight. Pasta and chicken in white wine sauce. Hey? That'll do, won't it? Just a little bit rolly for eating this. It's difficult trying to keep it on the plate. It kind of wants to slip off. Every now and then there's just a bit of a rogue, bit of swell. Like this bit here, look. And you've just got to be ready. Oh my god, that's about the biggest one I've had yet. I think that's one of the wind farm vessels. I remember seeing that when I was in Hartlepool one time. Well, I've not seen many other people out here today. One other sailboat, and about it. Wednesday morning, sailed all night just with nappy. Kept going, managed to just get past Peterhead and heading towards Wick now. Changed the sailing angle and we're heading, guess what, straight into the wind, into a swell. So I've just reduced the genoa a bit, got that pretty tight in. I've got the full main out tight in. And we're doing 5 knots into the wind. It's not too bad actually, just every now and then there's a bit of swell. But we haven't got around the headland yet. It's forecast 17 knots. So, and sailing into it, that's going to look more like 23 on the wind indicator. So we'll see. Oh yeah, just needed to charge the batteries a bit and started the engine and the fan belt's slipping. It's squealing like mad. It shows you how flat the batteries are because it's been with the autopilot all night. So we'll have a go at see if we can just nip that up a little bit. Just on here. $12 it is. You see all the rust there from the belt. Are we on the max? Maybe it is, it's almost maxed out that I think. That's it, yeah. Right, we'll give that a whirl. See if she squeals. Result. Now what's happening out here? Sails are flogging. That didn't have squeal. Might be about ready for a new build, but I've got 2 or 3. And then we'll tidy up. We'll tidy up from here. Where's camera gone then? Oh yeah, there you are. Hello. Like I said, puddling at the front as the bow keeps going under. So I get that drained out. Where's my bucket? Handles come off. Well, let's get this mopped out. Oh. look at that one. My sponge is about at it. I need a new sponge. It's on the shopping list. I can't see it coming in. It's the first time I've actually been here when it's been rough. So watch how it gets here. I think you'd see it flooding down. I suppose it's just running straight down that corner there. Oh, there's big gaps all over. Could be coming from anywhere. Way up there. Because I use this as a bit of a storeroom, what tends to happen is, if I don't keep it in check, it starts filling all up in here. And then something off there falls on it, my bedding or whatever. Everything gets soaked. Let's go see if we're going in the right direction, shall we? Come on, let's go. I'll just tip it in the sink. But fancy throwing it overboard. Oh. It's dry enough out there. I think I'll go on the helm for a bit. Give it a break. Keep getting these squalls come through, and the sea state picks up, and everything goes a bit lumpy. It's only doing 17 at the moment. 18. Just a bit of a lull, but yeah, it's gnarly. Autopilot's really struggling with it, but I need to sometimes move and do stuff. It really ain't got a clue what it's doing. Dave's typical Dave. Go on, straighten it up quickly. Come on, quicker. You need to be faster than that, mate. Come on, all the way. You've lost all your speed now. Yeah, I'll give him a break again. Another one. Another 5 minutes, I think, and then this will be over. We've got a clear bit again. But usually gets real peaky towards the edge of it. At least for sailing. Going rather nicely. Woohoo! Ah. Oh! The depth went from 100 metres to 7 metres then, in a flash. Ah, 3 metres now. What if there's a big whale following us?
The maritime safety information broadcast. Listen on channel 63, channel 63.
Another one. Up and down. I'm ready for another cuppa. I think I need a coffee, something to wake me up. It's nice seeing all my instruments just laid there in front of me. It's fantastic. I see where I'm going still. 19 knots on the beam, doing 6 knots through the water. Get this out of the way, we'll have a cup of coffee. We're too early. Wind farm over there. About 10 windmills out of all of them not working. There up 23 knots again. Bloody hell. Bloody hell fire. Here we go, big one. Hooray. It's a spinnaker halyard clanking away. We won't be sailing that today. 6.4 knots. Woo. 26 knots of wind. Oh my god. Gee, that was a good one. Get back on track here. I think I'm coming inside to sail it. Oh. Just get out of this cold. Right, go in. You coming, Willie? Oh dear. Where's me angle? There it is, 350. Zero. Alright, round about there. The trouble when it gets wild and gnarly out there, you want to be in here, but the wheel out there, big enough, but the wheel in here, when it's gnarly and you want something to fight, you know, to get hold of and steer, it's tiny. That looks good. Viva Cubano, viva! Not too spicy this one, you like this. Masala. Sat here washing the pots. I think my sister was preparing a meal, and she's not a very good cook. I didn't used to be, she's very good now. And I said, do you want to wash the veg? So I went off doing whatever I was doing, came back and she's in the sink with washing up liquid, washing the veg. That was an eventful half hour. Run out of fuel. Well, I didn't run out of fuel. There was about a quarter of a tank left in, so the sight gauge said. But there was nothing in the fuel line, so I don't know if the lift pump for the diesel's on its way out, so they need replacing. So, in the middle of a wind farm, engine stopping, no wind. Not good. Anyway, sorted. Filled it up. Well, what I had, 30 litres on, probably 25 by the time I'm in this sea state, trying to get it into the tank. Oh, what are going on? Anyway, that's done with now. Look at that. What a sunset. Sunset over Wick. I think tomorrow give rain. So wash all the boat off. All the salt, there's loads of it built up everywhere. Ready for a good rinse down, so that's good timing. And then we'll provision up tomorrow, fuel up. It's hanging in there. That's what difference it makes from last night to tonight, you know, that closer north. It's not going to be down for long. You see that's gone? Wow. Beautiful.